Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week, ending yesterday, actually today, Friday. So let's get started here. This is the first trade, pound yen on the 10th. 10th was Monday, right? Sell order here, SL moved to break even plus, and this is my setup. I have to have like four conditions to be four conditions. I have to have these four conditions before I pull the trigger. All right. So this is the first one. Second on the 10th, Aussie yen, CAD yen 70 pip. Aussie yen was how much? 105 pip. Right. CAD yen 70 pips. You can see all the trades are same setup. This one 70 pip here. New yen. Notice that all of these are yen, USD yen, 160 pip, 2 days worth. This was Friday, last Friday, and then this is Monday. So what was the reason that I had like 5 of these trades and all yen pairs? That was, the reason was this chart. I made it on the 2nd July that this yen index is going to make the turn from here after touching 127 extension level. And when yen index drop, yen gets stronger and all yen pair goes to the downside. So that's what happened. Now yen is right around here somewhere, right? The yen index. So it dropped and it dragged all the yen pairs down and gave me the setups. 5 pairs gave me the setups and I took them. All right. So and then this one on the 10th also pound USD, and this is based on the USD index. I'll show you later. So USD index supposed to be dropping and USD is supposed to get weaker, and then this yen, Euro USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, New USD, they will go up. So that's why this is the long one. On the 11th, Euro Nuzi for 65 pip. This is Aussie yen again. This was the first one you saw. This is the second entry, and then the second one is for 75 pip. Sell order here. This is pound Aussie going to the upside. Aussie was weak, 125 pip on the 11th. And this Euro yen again. This is, I missed on the 10th right here. This somehow actually my alarm was not there. So I didn't know that there was a setup, right? But it was a setup. But then later on, I realized and I put the alarm back on. So I have, before I pull the trigger, I have to have this alarm beeping. So when alarm beeps, I come and see if the setup is good. I'll take the trade here. If it goes with my analysis. Now, USDCAD, like I said, the USD was supposed to get weaker. So USDCAD supposed to go down. And this went down for 95 pip. This one, pound yen again, for 75 pip on the 12th. And on the 12th, this is the gold one. I made the chart video about the gold as well and the chart. This trade is based on gold chart was this. On 2nd July, I made it that as long as we are staying above 1920, we're going to go to the upside. So we started to go to the upside and I pulled the trigger when I saw the entry right there. This was the entry as well. This was the very good entries. Euro USD, like I said, the USD was getting weaker, so Euro USD went up also, and Aussie USD went up also. Euro USD is for 130 pip. Why? Because USD, let me show you the chart for the USD. This was the chart I made on 27 May that USD is going to drop from there to here, making a harmonic pattern called butterfly. And this will happen. Euro USD will go up, pound Aussie will go up, and UJ and UC is going to go down. And that's exactly what happened. You saw the charts, the trades, right? And what happened to this chart so far, as of today? This. See that? It started to drop exactly from there, and little pullback, and boom, below 1026 went down big time. Right? So this is, the analysis and the trade. Analysis and the trade. So I do my webinars twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday. So Sunday webinar, I go over all these weekly charts and explain to my subscriber that that's what's going to happen. This pair is going to go up, this pair is going to go down. And then for Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday at 4 p.m., I do webinar again to prepare for Thursday and Friday. Okay, so that's how my system, and then we take entry from my Magic IB system, or you can say the creative trading system that I have with 4 conditions. I have to have 4 conditions in the direction of my analysis, and then everything is easy peasy. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, you want to learn, then you go to my website. Where the heck that website is? Let me see. I had it open here, man. What's up? Let me see. Hold on just a minute. Oh, man. This is my website. Okay, so you go there, and then you can subscribe here. You know, surf the website and see what if you like. We do have a Telegram channel where I put heads up about the news and upcoming setup and all of that. So this is what it is, and like I said, that if you like, you can come here on my website, subscribe, and get going. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so that every video I upload, I make videos like gold video and USD video and yen video. I made all the videos explaining, and then post on publicly so that everybody can take advantage of it. All right, so you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. All right, so thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend. Oh man.